Okay, capacitor and resistance appearing in DC circuit, right? So whenever we will take one capacitor and one resistor voltage of a battery, if the potential difference between the terminals is taken V, this is capacitor C, this is resistance R, right? So what will happen here if I mark the points like A, this, suppose this is A, this is D, this is B, okay? So the potential difference usually in a multiple capacitors or even in the multiple resistance circuit, you will see that the sum of the potential differences in series are getting added up, right? Potential differences across the devices in series, they are getting added up algebraically such that that becomes the overall potential difference between the terminals of the battery. So here we can write down VAD plus VDB will be equal to V, right? Normally it happens like this. What is the characteristics we know for a capacitor? Tell me, capacitor is a what kind of device that we have talked till now? It is a charge storing device, right? Capacitor being a charge storing device. What do we know about capacitor? That is, capacitor is a charge storing device. Capacitor is a charge storing device. Okay, and it blocks the flow of charge. It blocks the flow of charge through its branch. It stops the flow, block the flow of charge through its branch at steady state. At steady state means when the capacitor is said to be fully charged. When the capacitor is fully charged, right? So capacitor can be charged as per its capacitance and applied voltage, right? Q equal to CV suggests us Q equal to CV. This suggests us we can always allow the charge storing to a capacitor based on its capacitance and based on applied voltage. So the moment when we have seen in all the previous discussions, either it is a single capacitor connected to a battery or multiple capacitors connected to a battery, right? Each and every capacitor in its own branch will be storing charge as per its deserving potential difference according to the circuit, and hence each and every capacitor at its fully stored charge status is considered to be the one who blocks the charge through it.